Hey guys, Nick Gerosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. We got a question is, Nick, how do I stay aware in the street? And one of the things that we like to teach, and we have it in our videos, we have a whole complete video of just awareness. What does that mean? And I was doing an instructor course last year, and I had one of the instructors, and he was blown away because in what we teach the awareness, I've developed drills, exercises, training, scenarios that just work your awareness. And he goes, it's interesting because we always talk about being aware, but nobody ever teaches it. Nobody ever created drills for it. Nobody ever showed us, well, what am I being aware of? And when we talk about awareness, talk the moment you walk out of your house, how do you make yourself a hard target? What can you do in your everyday life? If I'm faced with my attacker and I'm talking to him, what am I looking at? His hands, his pacing, he's moving, he's angling off, he's biting his lip a little bit, keep doing stuff. He's trying to come around me, he's touching his chin, he's looking away, he's trying to create distance, he pointed. I'm looking at all that in my head, he just waved his hands. What am I doing? As I'm talking to him, I'm preparing to go, if he was to strike me with anything, boom, I'm preparing to go here, or I'm preparing to like, boom, go preemptive. Right? Again, action is faster than reaction. And what you need to work on the thing I'm focusing on the most right now, everybody looks at, when you talk to somebody, tell them what happened in the fight. Oh, the guy grabbed me, he punched me. I'm like, no. What happened before that? Oh, he was in my face. What happened before that? When was the first time you made intuitive or visual contact? When was the first time the guy walked up to you, started walking up to me, and he starts doing this? The fight starts right here.
Yeah.
What's up, man? You in here?
Yeah, I know.
From what, man? You do look familiar.
You're the friend of David, huh?
David. Well, yeah, I know a David, but I'm not sure which David are you talking about?
Yeah, the guy told me you're a prick, man.
Me?
Yeah.
You probably
own $5 grand, man.
It's definitely not me, man, because I'm pretty sure I don't owe money to
Right
anybody.
now?
No, I don't have any money on me, man. If I did,
I'm gonna give you a month, and you give him back his money, or else I'm gonna get back to you. You're gonna see what's
all right,
going
man, it's cool. I'll look into it. I don't know who David is. Again, what am I doing? I shifted my weight from here, created distance. I'm bringing up my hands all the time. I'm always looking at every movement. If he's doing this, I know, boom, he could turn around and sucker punch me. So my hand came up. So this is, the most important part of the attack are the first 3, 7, 10 seconds prior to the strike. Is how am I moving? How am I angling up? How am I setting up my first strike? How am I maximizing my offense as well as my defense to put him in a position where he's going to have to be telegraphic, or a position where I'm going to be able to strike him when he doesn't see it coming. Again, it's all about that preemptive strike. That's what I'm teaching. Either you diffuse, you de-escalate, and you walk away, or you hit him first. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more about awareness, we have a complete video on just awareness, right? Again, you learn how to be aware. You train your awareness, your radar. You do the drills, the exercises. What happens is you learn how to detect your attacker 15 feet back instead of him being in front of your face with a knife in his pocket. The fight starts the moment 10 feet away. What does that give me? Time to run, maybe pick up an improvised weapon, maybe use a static improvised weapon, maybe be able to make a phone call, maybe be able to have an exit plan, assess my environment. That's the problem with a lot of the martial arts. They don't teach that part. And that is the most best and important part, and the most neglected as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.